welcome back to my new video. I'm going to unbox this Samsung Portable SSD T5, the 2TB. Now on my hand I have 4 units of them, total 4 units, each of them is 2 terabyte. Okay, as you can see the box, Samsung T5 2TB. Okay, it's a black color. Okay, you can see from the box 2TB. It works on Windows, Mac and Android. Okay, let's turn around. You can see it on the spec. Okay, let's stop for a second. Okay, we can see the speed is 540 megabyte per second transfer rate. It supports the USB 3.1 generation 2 up to 10 gigabit per second. Okay, also the size is very small. Later on I'll unbox and show you all. Of course, it also supports the AES 256 bits of the encryption. Okay, this is a side view of the box. Another view. Okay, it comes with 3 years of limited warranty. Okay, as you can see here, Windows, Mac, Android. Okay, Windows 7 and above. Of course, Mac OS 10.9 and above. Also Android KitKat and above. Okay, so without further ado, okay, I'll show you the unbox of this portable SSD. Total 4 units, but of course I'm going to only unbox 1 unit. Okay, please spare me a second. I'll try to open the box shortly.
2,000 years later.
I've opened the sticker. Okay, now we can see. Okay, I'll just take out and see what's inside. Okay, now you can see the wow, it's really small. We can hold it in our palm. Okay, you can see Samsung Portable SSD T5. Okay, let's open up the cover. It's very plasticky. Okay, now we can take out the portable hard disk. Wow, guys, it's very light. Okay, as you can see, printed the Samsung T5 portable SSD. It's a black color. Okay, 2TB. Okay, it's very light. Okay, the side curve, and this is a USB connector. Okay, let's see later what cable is provided. I think there should be 2 cables. Okay, as you can see, it's very thin, also very small. Okay, easy to carry around. Okay, let's put it down. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, this is the manual. Let's flip through. Well, usually I don't read the manual. Okay, yeah, as I mentioned, it provides it comes with 2 cables. Let's see what is this cable. Okay, this is USB type C to USB, the normal USB. Okay, to USB type C. Okay, I need to focus. Okay, another cable. I think it's the USB C to C. Okay, this one you can use it to connect the phone to the portable SSD. Okay, just now the previous cable, the Type-C connect to the portable hard disk, and the USB 1, the connector, connect to your PC. Okay, so you can see two connectors of Type-C. Okay, so nothing much on inside the box. It comes with the hard disk, the manual, and of course 2 USB cables. Okay, so that's all for now. I'll just put back. If time allows, I'll post another video of the performance test of the hard disk. Okay, that's all. I see you guys. Take care.